Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, in my today's video, you are going to get creative, stylish and amazing ideas that how you can use hand embroidery floral patterns for designing a very beautiful and delicate thing. That is, you have heard me right, that in my today's video collection, you are getting very beautiful visual representations of handmade, handcrafted, thread work, thread painting, needle art, design ideas of fabric bags. Friends, all of these shoulder bags, big grocery bags, big tote bags and many more creative bags are totally up to you, that how you can design them by using simple, easy, basic and beginner friendly embroidery stitches, by using the art of your simple and some basic embroidery stitches like satin stitch, lazy daisy stitch, Brazilian knots, French knot, fly stitch, chain stitch and many more simple and easy basic embroidery stitches. So you can not only design these very beautiful floral patterns for making your bags only, you can also design these onto your laptop bags, onto your cosmetic bags, onto your everyday class bags, or handmade, hand creative straw bags, crochet bags. And the scope is not only limited to bags, you can also design in patterns onto your pillow covers, cushion covers and many type of creativities for your home decor. And you can make these beautiful floral patterns as a dress designing idea based embroidery patterns for designing your baby girls shirts, for designing your own shirts, t-shirts, sweatshirts, kurtis and many more creativities as per your choices. So stay tuned for my new latest next upcoming videos, and if you really liked my ideas or designs of my today's video, then don't forget to like, and if you are new, don't forget to subscribe, and please leave comments below my video so that I could get to know what you want me to share with you in my upcoming videos. Stay blessed. Jazakallah for watching. Meet you soon in my new videos.